Number 6, decreasing the confidence level will do what to the length of your confidence interval? Okay, based on the PowerPoint, decreasing the confidence level will make the confidence interval shorter. Now let's see why. Here we're going to compare two confidence levels. This is a 90% confidence level and this is a 95% confidence level. If you notice, the confidence level with the 95 it has a wider or a longer confidence interval as compared to the 90% confidence level. Its confidence interval is a little bit shorter. Now why? Well, this confidence level is actually represented in an area. Okay, so the 95% area is larger than a 90% area, which means that its confidence interval would be larger than the 90% confidence interval.